Okay, it's 5:01. Everything's closed. Stocks, bonds, commodities, futures, options. End of the week, solid week. Now I want to show you something. Stopped out on the S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow, and the crude oil. So all those four were hit, stopped. The Dow, however, hit 5 to 1. Okay, 5 times our profit, and so did crude oil. I want to show you what that looks like though with real numbers. ES, $12. NASDAQ, $92. Dow, $13. Look at that. That's, what is that, 104 plus, that's $127. But remember, we made 5x, or there was at least 5x on the Dow, $65, and there was a 5x on crude oil. Did we get stopped out of crude oil? Yeah. Okay, we got to take that crude oil. We got stopped out there. All right, so we lost 60 but made 300. Still, I mean, on a choppy, ugly day like today, because these ranges are so tight because they're based on pre-market, and they must have read it before the big economic numbers. Non-farm payroll was today. Just a lot of big numbers. Big day, huge day. Non-farm payroll and unemployment came out. Remember, this is 4:30. That's UTC. Moderately up. So this was the worst. And if you look at our other videos this week, S&P 500, NASDAQ, everything hit the 5x on the long side and the short side. Now, we don't recommend you take every trade. For example, if it's bullish, you don't want to take the short side. So you only want to take the long side. Same over here. Isn't this interesting? This was bearish this morning, so you would have taken that, hit your 5x, but then we have an algo that measures the cash against the futures. If there's a statistical arbitrage opportunity there, you'll get that notice, and then we can help you with that if you have any questions on how you want to trade it. All right, do you want to trade the Qs and options? Do you want to trade the futures against the cash? I just wanted to point that out. That's a futures fair value indicator that we really like. Where did I find that 0DTE? There's another one, SPX. It's dislocated. It's the ES, the futures is dislocated from the SPX cash. Same with the Russell. All right, so there's going to be some nice trades. That's the trade Ed Thorpe made it over $1 million on in the 87 market crash when the cash was deeply dislocated from the futures. Let me take a look. Okay, there it is. Yeah, 8:30 bear call spread. So hopefully you would have taken that right at the opening, made your 25%, and got out. Let's take a look here. Info. Oh, there was a take profit right here. A take profit reminder on the curve fly. That looks at the interest rate regime. This is just a great trade because take a look. Entry take profit reminders, 27 ticks in it, and the risk is 6 ticks. All right, so that's always fun to trade. You don't see them every day, but if you're lucky, you'll see it 3 times a week. There's the ZF. So there it was right there. Look, stop 6 ticks. High impact today, non-farm payroll. That's just, we got a little help from our friends, didn't we? So boom, we hit that profit quick. 27 ticks against 6. So that's almost five times. I wish that happened every day. And remember, if you have any questions or need to schedule a time to speak with me directly and go over your specific trading or investment goals, send us an email at info@fittrader.io.